Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with Halachot. This is Siman Kuf Mem Zayin. We're talking about Gelila. Maran brings down in Sif Zayin and then Sif Chet. He says in Sif Zayin, Ena maftin matchil ad shigmeru liglola sever Torah kede shelo yeh golel tarud v'yachol lishmoa yuchal lishmoa Haftara. What does that mean? We know that everybody's obligated to listen to the Haftara. The Haftara was actually an institution that happened afterwards, just because when we weren't allowed to learn Torah, so we used to read from the Haftara, which was me'en what was written in the Torah for that week, and that's why we do the Haftara. So it wasn't something that came from already from Moshe Rabbeinu or already Israel. It was afterwards, but we still do the Haftara. But in order that everybody should hear the Haftara, even the person that's doing the Gelila, so therefore what happens is you have to finish the Gelila, and once they finish the Gelila, then the person comes and he starts the Berachot of the Haftara. So the first halacha is you have to make sure that you're going to finish the entire Gelila. Once they finish the entire Gelila, usually we come and we say Chazak u'Baruch Barech, which means we tell the person Chazak u'Baruch, now you can make the blessing. Right, that's the minhag. That we come and tell Chazak u'Baruch Barech. Now you can make the bracha. Why? Because we come, right, and we finish the Gelila. The Ashkenazim Arakatzim on Monday and Thursdays that they say Yiratzon. That Yiratzon, says the Mishnah Berurah, you do not have to wait for. But since it was only a minhag, even if the guy that's doing Gelila does not actually hear this Yiratzon, there's no big deal. The Haftara, he's obligated in. So therefore we wait. But the Yiratzon, he's not obligated in. Sif Chet comes and it says an important halacha. You have two Sifrei Torah. So what do you do? So he comes and he says, when you have two Sifrei Torah, lo yiftechu hasheni v'lo yasiru hamapa ad shigalu harishon. Some people, they want to do very, very quick. So what happens? You have one guy coming and doing, and right when they're going to be finishing, they come, they give the rimonim to a child, and then he wants to come and he wants to start on the second Sefer Torah. He says, no. Maran says, in order to start the Gelila, you're not allowed to do the Gelila on the second Sefer Torah until you completely finish with the first Sefer Torah, because it's not kavod for the Sefer Torah. So you first finish with the first one, and once you finish with the first one, then you're going to start the second Sefer Torah. Now he says that when you're going to come and you're going to take them out, you're taking them out together. What does that mean exactly, together? Right, really, be'emet, the way that we should have done is, when you have two Sefarim, you're supposed to really take the first one out, finish reading the entire first thing, take it back, and take out the second one. The reason why we don't do that, is actually brought down in the Kav HaChaim, is because of Kvod HaTzibur. What's the Kvod HaTzibur? They have to get up, sit down, get up, sit down. It's Kvod HaTzibur. So what happens? From the beginning, you take both out. What happens if a person forgot? Which means they come, and they took out one Sefer Torah. All of a sudden it's there, and then they realize, 1 second, we forgot the second Sefer. They shouldn't take it out right away. Because since according to the real halacha, you should have finished, take it back, and then bring the second one out. Here that they forgot, since already you don't have it, you already have the Torah Tzibur. So therefore you're supposed to actually finish the reading in the first Sefer Torah, and then you're going to come and you're going to take it out. Whenever there are two Sifrei Torah, the minhag of the Edot Mizrach is that they open up both Sifrei Torah when they're already walking, so therefore they already have this, and then there's going to be a difference between the minhagim. Where do they put the Sifrei Torah? We actually come, and the Mishnah Berurah brings down that we hold it, right? And this is also the Ramah when he says, V'tovsina shniya, right? There's the Or Zarua. So we grab it in our hands until you're going to come and read it. The Edot Mizrach, they don't actually hold it, they put it on the Teva. So which side do they put it on? Do they have the regular Sifrei Torah on the left, and then they put the second one on the right? Or the other way around? That they have the one on the right, and then they're going to put on the left. Which one is it? So there's two different minhagim. Each one they have what to rely on. This is talking about obviously the ones which are sitting on the teva, so they have what to rely on, whichever one that they're going to do.